In this vast universe that has no ends, we live in a tiny and insignificant planet, called Earth, which is one of the 8 planets in the solar system. But what is beyond that? Today in this video, we are gonna discuss this. A galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars and their solar systems, all held together by the same gravity which keeps us tied to the ground. The word galaxy is derived from the Greek word, galaxies, which literally means milky, hence a reference to our own Milky Way galaxy, which we'll talk about later in this video. Although the exact way how a galaxy is formed is unknown, scientists, with the help of supercomputers, have come up with a close suggestion as to how galaxies are formed. According to them, galaxies are thought to begin as small clouds of stars and dust swirling through space. As other clouds get close, gravity sends them with much force towards one another and forms them into one giant spinning galaxy. Galaxies are classified into 3 categories depending on their shape, as spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Like all of us, galaxies too vary in size. They range from dwarfs, with a few 100 million stars, to giants, with about 100 trillion stars, which orbit the center of mass of the galaxy. The solar system, which contains our own planet, Earth, too is part of a galaxy. We call it the Milky Way, which is a spiral galaxy. Apart from our solar system, Milky Way contains more than 3,000 other planetary systems. It is believed that it contains over 250 billion stars, where our Sun is one of them. If we can find a place, far away from the houses or towns, and look at the sky at night, we could get a glimpse of the Milky Way galaxy, which looks like a stretched band of light and dust. Most of galaxies contain a supermassive black hole at its center. For those who does not know what a black hole is a place in the universe where gravity is so strong, that not even a ray of light could pass through it. The Milky Way too is centered around a black hole named Sagittarius A star, which is believed to have a mass that is 4 million times greater than our Sun. Well, are there any other galaxies apart from our own Milky Way? In fact, there are a large number of other galaxies in the universe apart from the Milky Way. In 2016, astronomers from NASA estimated that there are more than 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each of them containing over 100 billion stars. Each of the dots you see here are not stars, but galaxies. Well, then just imagine how many stars are there in the observable universe. There are 10 times more stars in the night sky compared to grains of sand in all deserts and beaches. In terms of size, galaxies are unimaginably large. Their diameters range from 3,000 to 300,000 light-years, where 1 light-year is around 9 trillion kilometers. If we wanted to go across the Milky Way, it would take around 200,000 years to cross the entire galaxy, given that we travel at the speed of light, which is 3 × 10⁸ meters per second. But according to Albert Einstein, traveling at the speed of light, for us, is almost impossible. Just as the Earth has neighboring planets such as Venus and Mars, our Milky Way galaxy too has a neighboring galaxy called Andromeda. It is around 2.5 million light-years away from the Milky Way. Apart from Andromeda, Magellanic Clouds, Whirlpool Galaxy, and Sombrero Galaxy are examples of other galaxies in our observable universe. Although we call Andromeda our neighbor, it is a huge distance apart from us. So you might be wondering what is in between galaxies. Nothing to worry. We've got you covered. The space between galaxies is filled with a weak layer of gas, called intergalactic medium. Its density is less than 1 atom per cubic meter. Well, considering an atom, and it being the smallest particle of matter, we could imagine how tenuous that layer of gas would be. Astronomers predict that one day, Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies will collide with each other. But nothing to worry, it won't happen for another 4 or 5 billion years, and probably our species will not survive such a long time. So unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, we all are gonna miss that show. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Have a nice day.